As we have already learned, simple present is simple past and simple future. So now we are going to do the exercise part. In simple present, we are using formula subject plus verb first form plus SES plus object. And in simple past, we are using subject plus verb second form plus object. And in simple future, we are using subject plus will shall plus verb first form plus object. In the same way, we can change them into negative. Like in simple present, when we are going to change them negative, we will have the formula subject plus do not, does not, plus verb first form plus object. And in simple past, subject plus did not plus verb first form plus object. And in future, we are having subject plus will shall not plus verb first form plus object. In the same way, in interrogative, auxiliary verb will come in the beginning, like do, does plus subject plus verb first form plus object question mark. Okay, whenever we are making question, we have to use question mark as a sign when we are ending the sentence. In the same way, when we are changing past, simple past into interrogative, then again did will come in the beginning, then subject plus verb first form plus object question mark. Yes, beta.
मैम आप ये समझा रहे हो?
Yes, I'm just recapitulating it. Then we are going to do the exercise part. Okay. Okay, beta. First, I'm recapitulating it. Then in simple future, when we are making into interrogative, will shall will come in the beginning, then subject plus verb first form plus object question mark. Okay. Now we are going to do the practice part. I dash the fill in the blanks with the simple future tense of the verbs in the brackets. I dash the carpet on Sunday. Dust. What will come, children? What will come? Can you tell me in chat? What will come? What will come in simple future? What will come in simple future, children? Yes, Puneet, tell me what will come. I dash the carpet on Sunday. You have to change it simple future.
I shall.
I will dust.
I
or
shall
dust.
dust.
Yes, you can write any of it. I will dust.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Page number you asking or chapter you asking?
Ma'am, page number.
Page number. Page number is 83, beta. Page number is 83. Second. Now second question. I dash my own meals. I dash my own meals. Shania, tell me this one. I dash my own meals. Shania, tell me this one. I dash my own meals.
Will cook.
Very good. I will cook my own meals. Will cook my own meals. Then next. Next one. Arav, unmute yourself and tell.
Ma'am, please tell the what is the page number?
Page number 83. Our team dash on Tuesday. Meet. What will come?
Will meet.
Very good. Will meet. Will meet. Next one. I dash the bills on Saturday.
I will pay.
Very good. Absolutely correct. I will pay. So we have to change them in simple future. Then fifth one. I dash medicine when I grow up. Tell me, children. I dash medicine when I grow up.
Ma'am, I will study medicine.
Very good. I will study.
I will study.
Yes. I will study. The next one is it dash sunny tomorrow.
Ma'am, it will be sunny tomorrow.
Very good. It will be sunny. Yes. It will be Yes, it will be sunny tomorrow. Absolutely correct. You dash your own language on the trip.
You will carry.
Carry
Very
your
good.
own
You will
You
carry.
will carry.
Very good. You will carry. You will carry. India dash the match on Friday. India,
India will win the match on
Will
Friday.
will win.
India will win. Very good. Next one. I dash my homework on time.
Ma'am, I will submit my homework on
I
time.
will
Yes,
submit.
I will submit
on
my homework.
I will submit on my time.
Very good. Next one. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to write this in notebook.
Book, beta. We are doing practice exercise from book. I dash on weekends.
Ma'am, I will cook on weekends.
I will cook on weekends. We cook on
I will
weekends.
cook on weekends. Yes,
I will.
absolutely correct. So now next question, B part. You have to use going to. You have to use going to. Okay. Now you are using going to.
Then we have to write book on notebook.
Beta, book. In book you have to write. Where is the confusion? You have to write in book. My room is very dirty. I dash it tomorrow.
Then clean.
I am going to clean it.
Yes, I'm going to clean. I'm going to clean. I'm going to clean. I'm going to clean. Second one. Vinita hates her job. She dash next week.
Ma'am, she is going to next week.
She,
To visit next week.
ma'am, she
She
is
is going
going
to
to quit her
quit.
job next
Yes,
week.
very good. She is going to quit. She is going to quit. Going to quit. Next. Arnab got his driving license. He dashed his brother to lend him his car on the weekend. Tell me, children.
He is going to ask
He will
his
be.
brother to.
Arnab just got his driving license. He dashed his brother to lend him his car on the weekend. He will be asking his brother. He will be asking his brother to lend him car on the weekend. Next one. I just received this letter. I dash the reply tomorrow.
Ma'am, practice.
I will send reply
Ma'am, I will
tomorrow.
send the reply.
I will be, or I am going to.
Ma'am, I am going
Beta, you have to use am going to now. Change this also. I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask. The next,
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am going to send.
here I am going to send. I'm correcting the upper one. I'm going to send. Okay. Next one. My friend is in town. I dash her this weekend.
Ma'am, I am going to visit
Very
her
good.
this
Absolutely correct. I'm going to visit. Very good. Next one. I had a flat tire on my bike yesterday. My brother dashed it later today. My brother
My brother
is going to, what will come, children? Is going to?
is going to fix.
Yes,
Later
is going to
today.
fix. Yes, is going to fix. Absolutely correct. Next. Our exams are near. We dash late every night from next week.
We are going to study.
Very good. We
Late.
are going to study. Very good. We are going to study. My all children are very intelligent. Next. I have to attend a wedding tomorrow. I dash my hair trimmed. Tell me, children.
I am going to cut my hair.
Where is cut? I am getting. Okay. I am getting. I am going to get. I am going to. I am going to get my hair trimmed. To get. Next one. The football tournament is scheduled next month. We dash very hard every day from Monday.
When we are going to practice
We
hard.
going to practice.
We are practice very
Very
hard
good.
every day.
Very good. We are going to practice. We are going to practice. We are going to practice. Next one. It's chilly outside. I dash a nice hot bath as soon as I get home.
I am going to take.
Yes,
Ma'am,
I'm going to take. Absolutely correct. I'm going to take. Complete the sentences using going to or will form of future tense with the verbs provided in the brackets. The day is gloomy and humid. You can use going to, will. Both you can use. It is going to rain or it will rain. Okay, anything you can use here. Tell me, children. Tell me.
It will rain.
It will rain or it is going to rain. Yes, it will rain. It will rain. Rain. Next one.
Ma'am, I will help you.
Second.
I will help you.
Aditi, the suitcase looks quite heavy. I will help you to carry it. I will help you. He is dash a silk kurta to the wedding. What dash you wear?
And he is going to wear a
He will wear.
He is going to wear. He is going to wear. He is going to wear. Wear. Yes, he is going to wear a silk kurta to the wedding. What will you wear? What will you wear?
What will you?
Yes, what will you wear? What will you wear? Yes, next. Fourth one.
I will help you with your work tomorrow. I will help you.
I will help you with your work tomorrow. Will help. I don't think I dash able to come to
I
your
will
birthday
be.
celebration.
I
I
will
will be. I will.
I will be.
Yes. Next.
The weather forecast says
The weather forecast says
it is going to be.
it is going to be a beautiful day. Tomorrow, I think I'll go to the beach. It is going to be a beautiful day to be a beautiful day. I think I'll go to the beach.
Ma'am, I will go to the beach.
Yes. I will Go to the beach. Next one. Is Victor dashes music CDs to the party? Is Victor?
Will bring.
Bring his music. CD.
Beta
Will
is,
bring.
you can see
Will
is Victor going to bring, because is he has already added. Okay. So we will use going to bring, going to bring. Okay. Going to bring his music CDs to the party. Rewrite the passage using the simple past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Money buy a book from a bookstore in Mumbai. You have to use simple past tense. Simple past tense means verb second form. Okay? Am I clear, children? Simple past tense means verb second form. Okay, children?